Okay, so today we're gonna be creating a simple holiday look, doing a nice simple cat eye and a bold red lip. So we're gonna be giving a lot of emphasis to the lips today and leaving the eyes kind of soft and letting the lips be the focus. So first I'm gonna start out with the Luminizer Sisters, going in with Merry Luminizer on the lids. Now we're gonna go in with a shadow that's just a few shades deeper than her natural shadow. This is just gonna help give some definition and darken up the crease. Okay, next we're gonna go in with a shadow that's just a little bit darker than the first one. And we're just gonna focus this one right on the outer corner of the eye to help give us that nice cat eye effect. Okay, last we're gonna go in with a nice shimmer shade on the inner corner, and I'm wetting it just to give it more of a metallic look. And I'm just gonna focus this right on the inner corner just to catch the light in the eye. Okay, next I'm gonna take my favorite black eyeliner. This is Inglot's black eyeliner in 77, and this stuff is like life proof. It's waterproof, water resistant. All my brides wear it, cry through their whole day, and it never comes off. So my favorite trick for creating a cat eye is to open your eyes and look forward and line up your brush with the bottom line of your eye. Kind of create that flick. Okay, then going in with some mascara. This is L'Oreal's Voluminous Carbon Black. Just really coating the lashes and making sure they're nice and dark. Okay, going in with some lashes. These are Yellow Beauty's Church Girl lashes. So I'm just gonna trim the lashes to fit her eye. And then when I apply the glue, I'll wait for just about 30 to 60 seconds. That's the trick to doing false lashes. For sure, you gotta wait for that glue to dry. These lashes are cute, but they're not big and they're not gonna take over everything, so that the emphasis can stay on our bright red bold lip. Okay, while that glue is drying, I'm just gonna go in and make her brows just a little bit more defined. She doesn't need a lot. Just a little bit of definition, because the eyebrows are the frames to our soul. Okay, going in with our bright red lip. This is Missy and Fierce from Wet n Wild. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Rosebud Salve, just because this is a drying product. We want it to look a little bit wet and shiny. So this is just like a lip gloss or a chapstick. Okay, then I'm just gonna finish her off with a little bit of makeup finishing spray. This is just like face hairspray. So I'm just gonna have her close her eyes. And she's set to go.